Today we're gonna build this model using JavaScript. It is a simple concept. So when we click on this button, our message come, and then we click here, it's gone. So and we do a little animation, that animation. Okay, let's do that. Here we got a image folder in which we have a pg.jpg, which is this background. We use it. Okay, let's create file index.html, main.js, and one more style.css. Okay. We give a boilerplate and name it Modal using JavaScript. And we also linked our CSS. That's it. And our main.js file. Okay, we do let's sorry. What we have? We have a button. Okay. Not a div. We just give a button with a class of OpenBTN. Okay. And we write where is my modal. Okay, simple. Now we have a modal card. Okay. For this, give div class name modal in which we have what we give h4 and we write message. Okay. Then we have a close button. Right. So what we give? I think we give a span, and in this span we give a close icon. Here you see, if we click window and period button, press window and period button, you got these animations, emojis. Here we select. Okay. Give it a class of close btn. That's okay. It is okay for our HTML. Then we style it. Okay. Firstly, we style our body, then button of class close btn. Let's do it here. Firstly, we give it some global margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. So then we come body width 100%, height 100 ph, and background. Use URL in which we give our background path images pg, and we set something background repeat no repeat, background repeating background position center in x and y, and cover. Okay, then what we have? Let's see what happened. Okay, there we go. We have this button and we have this message. So let's style it, positioning it. Okay, we can give this a class position relative, and then we have close btn and position absolute, top 70%, left 10%, left 10%. Then what we have? Okay, we give it a width of 200 pixels, height of 70 pixel, border 2 pixels solid, white, background transparent, border radius 10 pixel, font size 1.3 RAM, color white, cursor pointer, and box shadow. 0 in X, 0 in Y, 15 blur, 15 pixels, not 15 pixels, give it a 5 pixel blur, and color white. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we are. Here our button. Just give it a little padding, and this is looking nice. And styling our this message card. So let's padding. Just give it a button of padding. We'll give a 20 pixels overall. Okay. Now we style our modal. So modal container. Modal. Modal of width 200 pixels. Height 50 pixel. Height 50 pixels and border none. Background color white. And in modal we have two items. First is S4 and second is span. Then display flex, align item center, justify content space between, and a padding. Overall, give it a 30 pixel. Now, what we do? 30 pixels and color, background white, color black. There we are. Let's take a look. Oh, it's just small. I think you give a little more width, which is fixed, and it's nice. We position it. Let's do. So first we give more width for this, 250 pixels. Okay. Now we position it. Position absolute. Position absolute. Top 50%. Left 50%. And transform, translate minus 50%. X and minus 50% in Y. Press center our message and give it a border or border radius of 8 pixels. And where is padding? Yes, good. Let's check. Here is our message. And let's font size of this message and cursor pointer for this close button. Let's do that. In modal we have H4, right? Modal H4 font size is what we give her 1 RAM. Okay. Then that's good. Okay. Then we have close btn, in which we give it a cursor pointer. Font size is looking good, color is looking good. So let's take a look. Here we are. It's looking good. Our message is looking good. Here's the cursor pointer. Now we hide this. Firstly, we hide this, then we do our JavaScript part. Okay. We hide our modal. So come here, modal. And here we give it a display of flex, but we give it a none. Okay. Come here in a JavaScript and we grab our variables. Okay. Const open btn is equal to sorry, document dot query selector. What we have? Open btn. Then we have two more. Close btn. And we have Modal. Okay, we grab three of them. Now we write function. So when we click on open btn, we want to add event listener. It's fine for click event and run this function. In this function, we want modal.style, sorry, modal.style.display is equal to flex. Okay. Now we copy this and paste it here. For close btn, whenever we click on close btn, it's give it a display none initial value. Okay, let's check out. Here we are. Our modal card is not present. When we click on this, it's appear. When we click on this close button, it's gone. Okay, it's working. Let's do animation part. Okay, let's do. For animation, we come in CSS and we give a modal of animation name. Sorry, animation name of animate model. Okay, and animation duration 0.5 second. Now at the rate of keyframe and give it a name of what we given animation, this name. Okay, and we write here from top minus 300 pixels, where opacity 0 to the top 50%, where opacity is 1. Let's now when we click on this, yes, you see a little effect. That is a little effect. A1. That correct.